Right, today I am on the Pomohaka River. It's like 20 degrees, pretty warm. Got my soft bait combo here with Scott, and hopefully we can nail a couple fish. Good day for it, so good to be out and about. So basically what I'm going to be doing is casting out on these drop-offs. There's rock ledges here. Just let it hit the bottom and just bring it up off the bottom real slowly. Just wind slow and just give it a couple twitches. Bring it up over the edge, just like that. And I'm sure that there'll be a fish around here for sure. It's too good of holding water hooked up. Not bad fish. Right, hook, grabbed it right at my feet. Sweet. Nice wee fish. Not bad one to start the day with. Oh yeah.
Grass all over his fucking shit too.
Nice wee fish. Yeah, he's alright. Off you go, bud. Well, that was a nice fish. Come out from just down there in front of us. But yeah, I definitely knew there was going to be a fish in here, so that's pretty sweet. Alright, so get up on top of here. Well, I honestly think there'll be a fish in there. If I get on here, cast downstream, and bring it back, I think I'll be able to get something. Oh, I got hit. Oh! Just spotted a fish sitting on the edge of the weed. If I'm a Florida, that would be bloody piece of cake. Saw him feed on the edge of the weed bed. He's only like 2 pound, but got him. Oh, he's not very big at all. Oh, he's off. Oh well. That was that fish, guys. I'm pretty sure of it anyway. So, I think it's like it was like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It was really hot. Seen lots of, caught quite a few, but they've all been quite small. And there's some soft baits, or soft plastics, whatever you want to call them. But bigger fish are starting trying to avoid us, so hopefully we can catch one. Something around that 3 pound, 4 pound mark would be nice. Biggest of the day. Biggest of the day. Ate it out of the tree, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Had my line sitting in the tree and then he come out and ate it.
I think your other one was bigger than that. reckon?
That was a nicer fish.
Fish?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking like 2 pound man.
Yeah. The other one was smaller. Shot. He's alright. That bigger. Sweet. Nice wee fish. Off he goes. That was the weirdest take I've ever had from a fish. Basically what that fish, does get followed? Basically there's a fish and he was just rising under there. And I just cast it in there. My line was stuck in the tree. The fish come along and ate it out the tree. So that's pretty funny. Well, rightio guys, I'm definitely wrapping that up. I am stuffed. I've walked bloody far and I'm out of breath. I got to walk back to the car, which is way over there. So, I mean, didn't do as well as I hoped. Got a couple, no biggies, but oh well, that's fishing. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, tight lines.